Welcome to our tell. Today we are diving into a topic that may or many of you might find useful: how to cancel your tickets on Cineplex. Whether plans have changed or you just need to reschedule, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1: first things first, grab your device and open the Cineplex app or website. Make sure you're logged into your My Cineplex account. This is crucial because cancellation can only be processed if you booked your tickets while logged in. Step 2: once you're logged in, look for the My Bookings tab. This is where all your current bookings are listed. Click on it to view your ticket details. Step 3: now that you're in My Booking section, find the booking you want to cancel. At the bottom of the page, you'll see an option that's saying Cancel Booking. Click on it. Remember, you need to do this at least 2 hours before your scheduled show time. Step 4: after clicking Cancel Booking, a confirmation prompt will appear. Make sure all details are correct before confirming the cancellation. Once confirmed, your booking will be cancelled and any applicable fees will be processed according to the Cineplex policy. Alternative method: if you encounter any issues or if you prefer speaking to someone directly, don't hesitate to call Cineplex customer service at 1-800-333-0061. Have you booking ID ready? It's usually found in your confirmation email or within the app under profile My Orders. You can skip the automated message by presenting 1 on your keypad. And there you have it. Canceling your Cineplex ticket is a straightforward process if you follow these simple steps. Just remember to act quickly and always check your cancellation window. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next movie night, whether it's at home or in the theater.